I definitely need a break from this sand. This is pushing my limits. So I'm stuck under the bike like a jackass. It's best campsite of the trip night. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, September 9th, I believe. This is day 6. Today, we are heading into Monticello, and then we're going to run the whole section 2 today, hopefully. I don't know. There's a road closure somewhere, which will probably delay me. I'm just wrapping up camp here. I'm just got to put a few things back in the bike and put the fire out, and we are on our way. So we'll catch you on the trail here in just a bit. Sun's up. Let's go on an adventure. See if we can find our way out of here. Would have been nice to have been able to finish this yesterday, because where I'm at today is not going to be super hot, but where I'm going is on the other side of Moab. It's going to be, it's thinking 100 degrees, so. But that's part of the adventure. Forgot about this. Whew, I'm still feeling it from yesterday, to be quite honest. So we're about to push hard today. And we have made it back to the route. Good morning, morning. How are you? Finishing up section 1 of the Utah VDR. Yeah, we're coming into Monticello, and this is your wonderful sunrise view of the canyon before we get there. Watch that first step. Spectacular way to finish section 1, I can tell you that. This is just gorgeous. High up in the mountains of Utah. Oh yeah, look at this causeway. Oh, this is sweet. It's a cool way to get through. Wow, that is a long way down. Wow. Sun's just perfect. Yep. One up there on the ledge, one over there. Big ones, bigger than the ones in Ohio. Okay, so from now on I'm going to start setting a trip when I start each section because I look like a fool. Because I had a lot left of section 1. I've already went about 40 miles from where I camped. I'm about to come up on the North Creek Pass, so I'll give you a reference of where I'm at. Yeah, so here we are at North Creek Pass. It's where these mountains here, I believe they're the Abajo, remind me of the Blue Ridge Mountains, or not Blue Ridge, I'm sorry, the Smoky Mountains. All right, everybody. We are at the end of section 1 and we are going to start section 2. Okay. Well, so that was about 40 miles that I thought was going to be 10 or 20. So yeah, but I'm going to reset some trip odometers here, get my smear set up, and we will see you when we hit some dirt or some beautiful scenery. Classic Utah. The original dome. Go here and check out the newspaper rock. Alright, so I decided I'm not up for Lockhart Basin, so I just went around the signs and nothing was closed to the trail, so
don't know what that's all about. I mean, it looks like you could even just keep going. I don't know. They should have had like a how many miles ahead, because I bet a lot of people that run in the BDR are turning there. That is lovely. That's pretty cool. You can see the road for a mile there. This is a wonderful road. Really digging it. Coolest sections on in a while. This is really neat. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Valley of the Gods. Old mine, going back in the hill. Let's go check it out. We haven't done any exploring today. Check this out. The old rail cars and everything. Tell me this don't feel creepy. Wow. Very cool. I hope I wasn't supposed to turn left right there. It's going up top. This isn't sketchy. Oh. I just put my foot down and said I wasn't going to do that. Okay, well, Geyser Pass trail is I am headed back to LaSalle to go just the road to Moab because I can't find another way around.
Hole in the rock. Hey everyone, it is mid-afternoon and I am just beat. I don't know, too hard of a day yesterday. It's hot today and a bunch of reroutes today and detours just kind of got me a little frustrated. I'm in good spirits, but I just need to take it easy the rest of the day. So I checked in here to a little hostel in Moab, and I'm just gonna take it easy the rest of the day, and we'll finish up section 2 tomorrow. I'll get a plan together and I'll let you know what's going on here after a bit. But just wanted to say hi and bye.
Hello everyone, we're back here in Ohio. It's beautiful winter weather, and as I'm finishing up episode 6, I just have to let you know I missed a huge chunk of this day, the best part of the day, when I went to Geyser Pass and got stuck, turned around, lost, missed all that stuff. I don't know if it was user error or GoPro error or a combination of the two. But when I got back to the hostel in Moab and started looking at the footage, I was just so disappointed. But you know, it's still lots of beautiful scenery today. That's pretty much the mantra of the video today. One thing I am learning as I watch these videos, watch all my heroes on YouTube videos, and I realized I just went out with really no inclination of what I was going to be filming or anything. I've learned a lot. I can't tell you how many times I'm watching this video and thinking, man, you big dummy, why didn't you just get the camera out and record and say what happened, and you know, just these little things. So I'm really looking forward to getting out in 2023, getting better at making videos. In the meantime, the boost in people watching the channel is really inspiring to me. It's really getting me motivated to make better content. Can't thank you enough. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. We are already hard at it on episode 7. 3 more to go, and then the final episode I'm actually going to kind of just do a entire trip review, so that'll be a little longer video. I'm getting better at keeping the videos a little shorter. That was a learning curve. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Until we meet again, I hope you all can go out and get on your own local route adventures.